Hello everyone, thank you for joining Fairfield Public Library. Today we are making a box clip chip. Continue to watch this video so that we can make this cool craft together. Hello everyone, in our take and make bag we should have the following items. A cutout triangle shape page, orange construction paper, a clip, orange crayon, black crayon, white crayon, glue, and scissors. Our first step is we're gonna cut out our shapes. This one here is a bit tricky. We're not going to cut across this line, we're just gonna cut around because this is going to be the tail of our fox. So cut around, leaving the triangle there. So now we will take our shapes and trace them onto our orange paper. Big shape. Okay, perfect. Now we'll cut it out. Our tail. Our two ears. And our head. Perfect. So we'll flip those over and we're gonna take our clip and we're gonna turn it up. Well, we're just gonna first color it orange. And it's best to use crayon because then you're gonna have marker all over your fingers. So I think it's best to use crayon. We're gonna do the back side. And then all four sides. Perfect. So taking your white crayon, make sure you color around the tail. Of. So now you're going to take your ears and glue your ears on our fox heads. And then we will take our white crayon and we are going to put some white down the middle. And we'll take our marker and we'll give 2 eyes. And we're going to color a bit of the nose. Perfect. We will glue on the head, making sure that the bending part, opening part is pink to us. And the bottom part, we will put some glue on the tail. And glue it on the back of our clip. And there's our cute little. Thank you for making this cool craft with me. As always, check out what's happening here at our Fairfield Public Library and stay up to date with our calendar. I hope you enjoy making this cool craft with me. I'm gonna clip him right here. Until next time, see you later. Bye.